Today, I want to share a quiet piece and one finishing detail that changes everything. What you are seeing is a soft botanical study, clover leaves and tiny yellow flowers painted with loose, unhurried brushwork. The yellow flowers are small, almost shy, tucked between the leaves like little bursts of sunlight. This is not about precision, it's about presence. Watching, waiting, letting the paint breathe. When you stop trying to control every brushstroke, something shifts. The painting starts to feel alive, organic, like it grew there on its own. That's the heart of mindful art. Drawing what you see, creating what you feel without the pressure of perfection. I am using a dark green felt tip pen. First, a clean solid line around the edge, slow steady strokes. Rest your palm on the paper and let the pen glide. Already the clovers and yellow flowers feel contained. The eye has a boundary. The piece starts to hold itself together. But the real magic is what comes next. Inside that solid line, I go back in with a dashed stroke, short, even marks like stitching thread onto the fabric. See what's happening? The watercolor piece suddenly looks sewn onto the page. Like a delicate botanical patch you would find pressed inside an old journal. Two layers, one solid, one dashed, and the whole mood of the artwork shifts from sketchbook page to a finished piece. Art That Breathes Studio was built on this idea that when we slow down and truly see what we are creating, something honest comes through, something alive.